Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will create a program that will print 1 to 10 using for loop statement in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. Thank you for your support by watching my videos and then leaving a comment and sharing my videos in YouTube. So before we start, if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So I will be using codeblocks as my integrated development environment. It is free to download. Okay, so we have here sharp include IO stream. Okay, this library file will allow us for input output. Okay, so let us save our work first. Drive C, YouTube folder, this one, and then print .cpp for C++. Okay, in main begins. So here int a for 60d colon console out new line to new line here backslash n cd colon console out. Let's say horizontal tab print 1 to 10 using for loop in C++. This will be the title of our program. We will copy this one, and then here I will declare for open and close parentheses in a equals 1, a less than or equal to 10, increment, it will increment by 1, begin std colon space a spacing here, close. Okay, Ctrl S to save our work. I will copy this one, paste here, and then we will replace this one with end of the program that tells the user that the program has been ended. Let us save. Now we have done already, no? So we have here for int a, initial value of a is 1, integer. When we say integer, it refers to the data type that are positive and negative number including 0, a less than or equal to 10 condition. If this condition true, yes, increment. So let us build and run. There is an error. So what is the error? std invalid type const char. Sorry. I forgot. Compile and run. Okay, so our program is running right now. Print 1 to 10, no? Print 1 to 10 using for loop in C++ and a program. We will make some corrections here. Std console out for formatting purposes only, guys. Save, build and run. I forgot another column. Build and run. Okay, perfect. So we have here print 1 to 10 using for loop in C++, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, end of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to print 1 to 10 using for loop statement in C++. Guys, I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description, guys, where you can download the complete source code for free. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.